Hey guys, it's Dennis here with Team Devereaux, and today is last video, so part number 10, showing you how to make $100 with list building by using Google Adwords. So let's jump into the content. Hello to everyone and welcome back, and today is a last video of this series showing you how to make $100 with list building by using Google Adwords. And today I just want to go through some calculations and to show you the industry averages, what you can expect. So let's jump into the first slide and let's have a look to a couple of numbers. So AdWords, so average results in the industry. So the average cost per click, so CPC, is around $2.69, and this you can see here from the screenshot, Google AdWords industry benchmarks. So average cost per click, so you can see that the average for all industries is around $2.69. So the average click-through rate, it's around 3.70%, and the average conversion rate for a lead generation landing page that we are using in these tutorials, so it is between 8 to 10%. It can be higher, but this is an average. And for the email marketing, so automated email marketing after the first week, so the next 30 or 60 days, so the average open rate it's 15%, the average click-through rate it's 3.5%, and average email conversion rate is 1.5%. So this is gonna be when you're gonna promote different similar products after the first week of delivery, so on the back end of your email marketing. And here it's an example. So if you have $500 to spend, so the spending budget, so what you can expect. So spending budget is $500. So average cost per click, so CPC, it's gonna be 2.69. So let's go by average. You're gonna get your results when you're gonna run your first campaign. Maybe it's gonna be lower, maybe it's gonna be the same, so I don't know, but let's calculate by the average. And the average conversion rate for lead generation landing page, it's 8 to 10%. So total landing page sessions, you're gonna have 185. Average conversion rate, let's say that it's 10%, but I'm pretty sure that it's gonna be more than 10%. If you have a very valuable content, so free content to give them in exchange to their email address. So that's mean that if we grab 10%, we're gonna get 18.5. So that's mean if you calculate the cost per lead, it's gonna be $27. And that's why in the previous video, I was telling you that you must have the front upsells to cover your lead magnet advertising campaigns. So let's have a look what I said in the last video. So you must have an upfront upsell product to cover some of your advertisement expenses. So one is on the thank you page, if you remember the soft sale around $7. And the next one, it can be inside your free ebook. So when they read the free valuable content, in the end, you have a solution, a product that they can click and get redirected to actually purchase. And the last one is in the first week, your main related affiliate product you promote, helping them to overcome their problems. So if possible, with upsells or even a recurring program. So this main affiliate program, if has an upsells and maybe even a recurring program, that's how you can actually maximize your return of your advertising spending in your first week of your marketing. So these are the average industries results, what you can expect, but you want to test your flow of your lead campaign and see what kind of results you are getting. So more value you give for free and more related keywords you're targeting for this specific content, better results you're gonna get. And very important is your upsells to cover the advertising expenses. And here below I put the note: test, analyze the data, optimize and automate. So you are still in the testing phase with your email marketing plan. So test, optimize and then automate the entire system. And now let's jump to the last slide where I want to go quickly through the entire system flow. So you are familiar of this screenshot. So very important is thank you page, upsell, and then if you would like to, you can put another one inside the free ebook when you deliver that. And in the first free content delivery email sequence, so the first week, you want to have a very related, good affiliate program to promote them to cover your expenses in the first week of your email marketing. So this would be everything for this series of 10 videos showing you how to make $100 per day with list building by using Google Adwords. Hopefully you enjoy it.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.